When I look into her eyes, I see paradise.
My name.
We feel that love, so deep in love. When I look into her eyes, I see paradise.
So good morning everyone. Go जा पापा. Good morning everyone. Hope you are doing well in your life. और ये देखिए आज हमारी एक नई जर्नी शुरू हो रही है और ये स्ट्रॉबेरी है, देख सकते हैं आप. और ये पहाड़ों में आने के बाद आप इसको एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. You can enjoy in mountain.
Okay.
Patrick, what is this?
This is strawberry.
Yeah.
You know.
They are growing here. Eh?
Yeah, they grow everything here around. I will tell you the story when we come to the water.
Okay, Papa. Sawa. So this is a glimpse, a small glimpse. Now we are going to show more things about Burundi very soon. Thank you so much.
They have been trained by a man whose name was Paul Mirere Kano. So I think it was back in the 50s. So from 1950s they have been planting, cultivating all those veggies as you see, and till now it's one of the business they do. So Paul Mirere Kano was a politician,
Okay.
but at the same time he was a man very close to the local communities. So
Okay.
he wanted to create something which can help the local community to take care of themselves. So he taught them the skill of planting veggies and selling them. So until now they are doing this, and it's one of their main activity. And I think they live well compared to other people. Every time when you pass here, there are fresh fruits, fresh veggies that you can buy and take to town.
So Mr.
And-
Patrick,
Yeah.
what is the place name of this
Yeah.
area?
Some people call it Kumazi Umwami, right? So, and it is very popular. And the water you see flowing there is very clean.
Water
It's
is
water
coming
that you
from
can
mountain,
drink.
eh?
Yeah, it comes from the mountain. What you have to know is that this place is connected to the Kibira forest. And
Mashallah,
Kibira
mashallah.
forest is a rain forest which almost all the rivers that flow through Burundi, they take their sources in there because there is a lot of precipitation, a lot of rain
Okay.
per year. So some of the rivers go on one side into the Nile, and the other rivers go to the other side into the Congo River. So
River.
what I wanted to add is the historic significance of this man, Mirere Kano. He was working closely with Rwagasore, who was the prince and who fought for independence for Burundi. So they were really close friends. He was like his right hand. Unfortunately, when Rwagasore was killed, Mirere Kano was expected to replace him, but there were some internal politics that led to just put him aside, which created a split within the ruling party at the time, UPRONA. At the time it was the Independence Party, and it was in power, but this man was put aside. And I think that was the start of the divisions here in Burundi between the Hutus and Tutsis, and which led really to the political chaos that you see today. When the prince died, Rwagasore, it created a power vacuum that has been difficult to fill in.
To fill it.
He had, let's say that he had very big shoes, and until today they have been not really someone with the charisma, with the same stature as him to fill in his shoes. And interestingly, for the Tanzanian, he has been working closely with Mwalimu Julius Kambarage Nyerere. So he actually, Nyerere was like his mentor. He's the one who trained him in the fight for independence. So it was really very important for Burundian to be close to Tanzania. And even today, you know, the relationship between Burundi and Tanzania are very good. So I think this is what I can say about the history.
This is the brief history,
Yes.
the relationship between Tanzania and Burundi.
Yeah, it started a very long time ago.
Okay. And this place is near Bugarama.
Yeah, it's not far from
How far?
Bugarama, and this is, I think it's like
5-6 kilometers?
6 kilometers, and it is located in a province called Muramvya,
Muramvya.
which is the birthplace of Burundi Kingdom, because there are many places here, many historical places where you find relationship to the kingdom of Burundi before independence and before the colonial time. So I think that's all. We can now
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Irina, you're eating maracuja.
Yeah, type of maracuja.
Any maracuja, Papa?
Giant maracuja.
Any nanga, biote nanga.
Maracuja na.
Hii 10,000 yote vitunga mbili.
Bado tayari. Sasa we're going to Teja.
Hata matunda iko.
Matunda bado tayari. Hakuna shida. Okay. Sawa.